Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome to my beading channel. Today I wanted to show you a few pieces that I made. These are a combination of, I get the dollar bead box and I get the bargain bead box every month. I love both of them, along with Sam's bead box. And the colors for the month of October were so pretty. I couldn't choose between the two of them, so I ended up taking both the boxes and combining them when I made these pieces I'm about to show you. So this is a wire wrap, memory wire, and I love the little check glass flowers. It's almost like a rose gold or copperish wash on them, but everything was from either one of those, except for these few metal pieces here, and these crystal bicones were from my stash too. But yes, this is, and then here's the earrings I made to go with it. So I will put this on right now. I love memory wire because I've made the stretchy bracelets before, and they always seem to break. And to me, if I'm going to make a bracelet and I'm going to sell it to somebody and they're going to spend the money to buy it, I want the bracelet to last. So this is the bracelet, and I love these. I'm kind of known for my little charms that I love to make on there. Don't mind my fingers. I was painting yesterday. I'm an artist too, so that not very flattering on the hands though. And I'm due for a manicure. So these are the pieces that I used, and I just love them. There's the antique gold, there's some of the glass beads, fire polish, crystal bicones, check glass pearls, and then, like I said, those metal rings, and then just so cute. So, okay, so that's that one. Let's put those. And oh no, you know what? I'm going to put this back in here because one thing I do is, as I pull out my beads to make something, I make myself a little sticky note and I write down the beads as I'm using them, because you know, when it gets to the point of where you have 300 bracelets or so and you're, you know, selling them, you kind of forget what's what. And so I write them down, and then when I list them, then I put them in the little baggie with the bracelet. It just kind of helps me remember. So this is made with adventuring gemstones, crystal bicones, fire polish, antique gold, check glass beads, and check glass leaves. So again, it's, now these little ones, I know you've seen these from the other bead boxes, from the dollar bead box. These are some of the older ones, and then here's some of the little leaf beads from one of the older boxes too. But yeah, other than that, the few metal beads here and the crystal bicones are from my stash. But yes, oh my gosh, I love memory wire too. I like the way, you know, somebody can buy one of my bracelets and it will fit them, because the way it stretches, and it doesn't, you know, it's pretty much made to fit. Mine fit between a 6-inch to a 7.5-inch wrist. I think my wrist is a 7. Yeah, so it's kind of right in between. So this is the bracelet. I love taking like sparkly beads and mixing them with rustic beads. That's kind of what I'm known for. And then here's the earrings too. So just a pretty little set. It's perfect for somebody for the holidays. And then this right here, this is the check glass. And I still have the crystal bicones from my own stash and some of these silver beads from my own stash, but most of the fire polish. And then there's the little check glass leaves. This and these little silvers are from Auntie's Beads, if I'm not mistaken. Let me see if I have something from her with a little, yeah. This is something else that I have, but that's her website, auntiesbeads.com. Oh, so yes, I do order stuff from them to love Auntie's Beads. So here is this bracelet, and put that on. It's got all the little charms that kind of dangle from the ends. And then these earrings I made, these were from, I think these are from the Dollar Bead Box by itself. I love these. They look like little flying saucers. And then these are the check glass Picasso finish. Oh, they're so beautiful. So I made these to just kind of go with this. So that is so far is what I have worked on with Dollar Bead Box and Bargain Bead Box. But I know there's a lot more to come. So stay tuned to my channel and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a new video. And thank you for watching. Bye.